Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Fiesta door handle. First, open the door fully to reveal the side panel. You'll see a small black cap on the door's edge, usually near the handle. Carefully pry this cap off to expose a screw. This screw requires a T20 Torx driver. Insert the driver and begin to loosen the screw, but do not remove it completely. Once you've loosened the T20 screw, you'll feel the lock cylinder become loose. Continue to loosen it until the cylinder can be gently wiggled and pulled out. It's crucial not to fully remove the screw, as it acts as a retainer. Carefully slide the lock cylinder straight out from the door. Be gentle to avoid damaging any internal mechanisms or the cylinder itself. With the lock cylinder removed, the main handle body can now be detached. Gently slide the entire handle assembly backward towards the rear of the vehicle. This action will release the front portion of the handle from its mounting. Carefully pull the front of the handle away from the door. If your Fiesta has a smart key system, you may find electrical wires connected. Disconnect these before fully removing the handle. To reinstall your door handle, simply reverse the steps we've covered. Connect any electrical wires, then slide the handle body into place, ensuring it's properly seated. Reinsert the lock cylinder and tighten the T20 Torx screw until snug, but do not over-tighten. Before closing the door, test the handle's operation several times to confirm it functions correctly. For more valuable insights, check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.